Once ma-master mo kasi yung floater jello, is magiging unpredictable to sa game. Tennis ball na tayo, base pad na glove, phone. Same pa rin siya ng mga objective natin to force your shoulder to go really go low. Pero ang maninibago ka lang dito yung touch.
Okay, so first natin, place and grab lang. On the third pound, place mo yung phone, then on the third pound ulit, alternating.
Simple na ng tennis ball.
Drop yung phone sa side.
Ayun. Go, keep going.
Place and grab tayo, but instead na pound, pocket dribble tayo.
1, 2, pocket. Tap 2. Pocket, base, change cross, grab. Instead of grabbing right away, you have to do cross first. Go, nice one. Just lean forward while dribbling the ball. Sport power warm-up din. Magre-react ka on me. Switch. 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 Forward. Switch. Switch. Jill, last one. Switch.
Pound pocket, place. Pero ang gagawin natin, dalawang cross, then through. Through drop. Grab mo na. 1, 2, 0, 2.
We're going to teach you partial speed stop, Jello. Drop. Speed stop is like this. Ipig yung paa mo, i-end up ng pantay. Ang partial speed stop, drop. Inside leg pa rin, inside leg, pero itong outside leg mo, instead of ending up, end up ka dito lang. Nice one. Go.
So, pag-grab, partial speed stop, then open turn. Okay, tapos, pag-open turn, cross step.
What we're going to do, pull back lang tayo. From this position, ang pinaka-key pull back is learn how to distribute the weight. Kasi ang mangyayari, pag hindi ka aware, magiging normal step back siya. Sa kala ng iba, normal step back siya. But this footwork, we call this pull back. Kasi yung weight mo, nilalagay mo dito sa leg na to. With your outside leg, nilalagay mo yung load dito. Saka mo ngayon, maglalag ng dalawang pa. Ayan, pull back tayo pa rin, Jello. Pero kukunin natin siya galing sa split. Okay, pagka-split through, then pull back. Oh! Achieve tawag ni Michael. Naka-distance ako. Ito, i-rock step ko. So, rock step. Para inverted na cross step. Rock step to pull back. There you go. Hindi ako pinapalagay niyo yung ganito. Inside leg mo, naka-turn dito. Then naka-point siya forward, nasa side. Para side siya. Overstep. If i-finish niya, i-review niya yung word na finish. Overstep, stop na. Overstep, stop, turn around, pivot. Tingnan mo yung panic ko siya kung gaano kaway. Then, finish. Yan! Nice one. We're going to do a reverse pivot. Yan. Overstep, stop. Turn around pivot. Shot fake. Lagam shot fake. Then reverse pivot. Finish inside. Yan. Again, go. Pa. Reverse. There. Yan. Nice one. Okay. Basta balik nyo ng maayos, ha. Overstep, finish, in. Kapag blue, overstep, stop, turn around, finish. Blue yun. Pag red, yung may reverse. Kapag hindi ka tinap, nakita mo nagstay sa ganyan, step 3. Hey, nice. Uy! Bago tayo mag-mix. Watch. Lumiit na dyan. Wala na. Sagad ha. Yeah! Pahay sa'yo. Suave stop. Suave. There you go. Please,